Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to convert text to speech in CapCut. Now let's begin. So initially I'm just gonna drag this photo to the timeline so I can show you the subtitles much better. Now what I need to do is go to this text tab you will find on the navbar. Let's click on it. And from here, let us just try to add a text. That is the default text. Let's click and drag. Now I'm gonna edit the text a bit. I'm gonna add another text or subtitle. Again, let's click and drag. I'm gonna decrease its length and join these two subtitles. Let's edit this one. Now everything is okay. Let's focus on the text to speech section. Let's click on any of these text or subtitles, and on the top right corner a new menu bar will open. And if we scroll over, we will find something like text to speech. Let's click on it. Now there are lots of voices available, from male voices to female. For now I'm gonna experiment and try to see which voice I'd like, so let's try this one.
Hello, I am Jake.
I did not like it, so I'm gonna select this one.
Hello, I am Jake.
Okay, that sounded much better. Now to convert both these text to speech, I'm gonna select both of them. Again, go to text to speech and select the voice that I wanted. I'm okay with it, so start reading. Now let's play the video.
Hello, I am Jake. I am a scientist.
And there you have it, folks. That's how you do text to speech on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for exciting new content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.